Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with HighRadius Fintech Software Review My Usage Experience. HighRadius Fintech Software Review My Usage Experience offers a suite of cloud-based software solutions for financial process automation, primarily targeting large enterprises in the finance and accounting sectors. Its main purpose is to streamline accounts receivable and treasury management processes, improving efficiency and accuracy. Key features include automated invoice processing, cash application, collections management, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on their comprehensive solution offerings. HighRadius positions itself as a leader in AI-powered financial process automation. They highlight benefits such as improved cash flow forecasting, reduced days sales outstanding (DSO), and enhanced operational efficiency. Their website emphasizes a focus on reducing manual processes and improving decision-making through data-driven insights. Pricing isn't explicitly detailed on the website, suggesting it's tailored to individual client needs. They likely boast integration with a wide range of ERP systems, although specifics would need further investigation. Availability is global, serving clients across various industries. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using HighRadius Fintech Software Review My Usage Experience. I was tasked with evaluating HighRadius for our company's accounts receivable department. The initial setup was surprisingly smooth. Onboarding involved a few introductory webinars and personalized support calls that walked us through the different modules. Navigating the interface took a bit of getting used to, initially seeming complex with its many features, but the intuitive dashboard and well-organized menus quickly made it manageable. I particularly appreciated the automated invoice processing. It significantly reduced the time spent manually processing invoices. The reporting features are robust, providing clear and concise views of key metrics, like DSO and payment trends. We experienced minimal downtime, and the system performed reliably throughout our trial period. I had a quick question about customizing a report, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful and detailed explanation. A standout feature for me was definitely the predictive analytics capabilities, which offered valuable insights into potential payment delays. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve for some of the more advanced features, and comprehensive training would have been beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with HighRadius. It significantly enhanced our efficiency and provided valuable insights to improve our collections process. That's my overview of HighRadius Fintech Software Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.